Boxing Day in Denbigh, it's the biggest day in Denbigh's calendar. There's something for everyone on Boxing Day. The children are out in the streets playing with their toys, their Christmas toys. The youngsters are out at night, dancing, partying, meeting up with their friends. And in the daytime, for the mature-minded maybe, I don't know, we have the activities on High Street. And we're going to have a look at some of the Boxing Day activities in the famous market town of Denbigh. Very historic, very traditional. Come along. People start to gather on the High Street at 10:15. The first piece of entertainment that we had this year, a new piece of entertainment, was the parade of vintage tractors. The tractors were parked up along Lantern Pool. They set off at 10:15, came up Bridge Street, across the High Street, and finished off down at the bottom of Vale Street. A very welcome addition to Boxing Day entertainment in Denbigh.
Have they done this before, tractors?
The second attraction of the day is the arrival of the Flint and Denbigh Hunt, the horses and the hounds and the riders, and here we see them arriving at the top of Vale Street and going on to the High Street.
Battery.
Once on High Street, they are presented by the Mayor with the Stirrup Cup, which is a warm drink, some warm wine, which is usually provided by the old vaults in Denbigh. Finally the horn is blown and the hounds, the horses and the riders begin to move off across High Street, down Bridge Street and away, and here we see them exiting the town. And the highlight of the day is the Roll the Barrel Championships, World Championships in fact, that has taken place since 1958. So this year, 2008, was the 50th anniversary of the Roll the Barrel World Championships. There's also on-street entertainment, jugglers, people to entertain the crowds. We then have a very special guest, the Mayor of Denbigh.
Hello, Peter. How are you? Hope you had a nice Christmas. Right, I'm going back down there. See you again, Peter.
Did you enjoy the drink? Did you have a drink?
It was very nice. That's where I've just been. I had to go to the loo.
Ah, joy. Well, I'll shake your hand and thanks very much for that. And there we have it, a very, very busy day in the town of Denbigh. Busy for me. I was up on town at about 10 o'clock in the morning, capturing the sights and the sounds, meeting a lot of friends, a lot of people, young and old. Some people I hadn't seen for many, many years, even old school friends. How bizarre is that? And at night, yes, it was over town. I had a couple of sherbets and had a great time in the Phoenix. I enjoyed that and listened to the band there, the Martin Peters Experience. That was superb. And again, met a lot of friends, mainly my daughter's friends, a lot younger than me. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and come and visit us in Denbigh. You'll have a great time. Come on Boxing Day especially, the biggest day in Denbigh, Boxing Day. Bye for now.